I got something special. Like yeah, this is a new add up to the system. You see, these are golden zones where you take your sell or buy zone. So the entries are actually here. The golden zone, 61 level. You enter, you enter your sell just right there. Then you exit. But this one moves according to how the market moves. So the entry was supposed to be somewhere around the 100 level. You enter the market, then you can hold on this trend. Then this would be your take profit just right here. This appears exactly as the market moves. So this is going to show you the exact point where you need to take TP at this point. But this one moves. This one actually moves from this point up. When it just reaches this part, this one will shift to be somewhere there. Then the entry is going to be somewhere else. It's going to shift to be somewhere else. So this is a new adapt. So I'm thinking if I should send you guys who are going to comment on the section. I just put them up on my channel. Yeah, so I don't know. Leave a comment section so that at least you can give it a try. Because the other good thing about this is these windows here. They'll show you a downtrend. 1 minute downtrend, 5 minutes downtrend, 15 minutes downtrend. Then 30 minutes is actually going to show you an uptrend. Because in 30 minutes, looking at how the trend is going, okay, looking at how the trend is going right here. Yeah, looking at how the trend is going here, the entry would have been somewhere here. You see, that's where your entry would have been, just right there. Then you take your TP, somewhere at zero zone. So there's 100 going. Oh, that's 100 there. That's your sell point. Oh, that's your buy point. This is boom 500. That's your buy point at the 100 mark. Zero mark, the market retraces back. So I just installed it. It's not 100% here. Like it doesn't configure 100% right here. But as time goes by, it's going to configure itself in a way where it's going to make it easy for you to trade. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing right here. You see. So this is the add up. This is the add up. Should I put the link in the description so that at least we can try it out. Then you see the results of this, because if you just understand this, it's going to make it very much easy for you. Because here it shows the downtrend, and the downtrend started around this point here, and it's going down right here. It's going down, though. Yeah, every time it changed to a lower time frame, it actually ring you to say. So you see the movement. You see the movement. You see how it's moving. That's the movement right there. We can watch it move. We can watch it go down. Right, we can watch it go down, because at that's 86. That's 86 right there. Where it just touches 100, when it's 100%, it's going to spike. So this is how it is. This is just how it is. Anyways, I'm just working on this. Otherwise, we're also trying out this. This is Cobra. This is Cobra 1.0. This is Cobra 1.0. All these are being tested on all that. That's a real account, and yeah, that's a server right there. So you see, it's moving down. It's on 88%. It's on 88%. It's on 88%. So you see what's going on. The zigzag lines are actually acting as though they are a trend line. It more like makes a trend line for you from point 100 to point 0. It changes direction, so it's moving with the trend right now. But anyways, It's not the only thing we have. We're actually working on an EA, which is going to be taking TP, um, opening positions and taking TP on its own. Because using all these tools is going to be very much easy to do that. And what else can we try on this? Step index, because we're actually thinking of trading range breaker. I've actually made a range breaker to be very much easy to trade with. Okay, so this is step index. Let me just load up the temp right here. Okay, so that's a temp right there. Let me do this. Okay, 5 minutes. That's a zigzag movement, colored zigzag movement with my setup values, and let's put the gods on here. Okay, and let's also put the dash. Let's also put the dashboard. Let's also attach the dashboard. Okay, so it's still loading up. Okay, so it shows 1 minute was an uptrend. So it shows that's a golden zone right there. You see, that's a golden zone right there. You see the movement, still moving. Actually, this you can actually use it to place your stop loss, just in case the market was to retrace back. Your stop loss would be somewhere right here. Would be somewhere right there, because your entry would have been somewhere here, 61.8, the same point I was referring to on boom 500. It's the same point you enter your buy, just right here, because when you enter markets, just right here, you see, even a retracement would do nothing to you, like it's a continuous movement going down. And it also shows right here, it also shows right here, it also shows, like it will show you 1 minute, it shows you an uptrend at this golden zone right here. Because if I go back to 1 minute, you actually see the bigger clear picture. Yeah, that's it right there. You see, that's it right there. Markets is trying to make a retracement going down, but yeah, you just know how it is. Just know how it is. You see, it's about to touch. It's also showing you it's about to touch right here. And 5 minutes shows an uptrend. It's still going up. 15, it's an uptrend. 30 minutes, an uptrend. So if you just enter markets right here, it shows you a signal to enter here. Then you are good to go. You are good to go. You check out. This is 1 hour. It shows an uptrend. So if you enter from 1 minute, then you see 1 hour to show you an uptrend, then you're safe. Because looking at it, it gives you all the windows here, just to make it easy for you not to switch between the lines. But this is not the whole complete thing. Trust me, we still have something very big. Like, it's coming your way. It's going to hit you hard. Trust me on this one. Trust me. So I just woke up. I was having some issues. Setting up the whole thing, but yeah, right now we have it running. I just did that a few minutes ago before taking the live feed, just testing out the live feed. And thank you for the subs, guys. You've made it very much easy now for us, like to work on this. So this is step index. It's actually going to work on volatility indices as well. So yeah, it's really a big thing. It's really a big thing, because let's see if I have range breaker here. Range 200. Okay, range 200. Let's see what's good. Oh, okay, so 1 minute shows a downtrend. 1 minute shows a downtrend, and you see what happened. That's a 163. Like 63 is a good number right here. So 100 points makes a change. Then 163, it makes a downtrend. Then this huge spike came. So just imagine you're on a sell from this point. You hold. Then this spike. How much are you going to make out of the markets? So right now, let's see. still shows downtrend. 5 minutes shows an uptrend. So an uptrend in 5 minutes. Let's see 5 minutes. So that's like 5 minutes. So it's going to spike going up. In 5 minutes time, it's going to spike going up. So that's like a good thing right there. 15 minutes it was spiking down. The gold zone was just right here, telling you 15 minutes was going to spike, and the gold zone in 15 minutes was just right here. You see, it showed that it was going to spike in 15 minutes. And the zigzag movement also shows the downwards movement. You just know blue, we made it to go up as an uptrend. Red is a downtrend. Then you see what happened. You see what happened. You're in the market at 61 point here, like 61.8. You hold on this, like this is a sell point. You start holding like you're going down. This is like 15 minutes. 15 minutes tells you it's going to be a downtrend. It appears here. You hold. You see the spikes which come your way. Actually, it starts around this point here, like this small point, just right there. Then you hold the first spike. It trends. It spikes going up. Then it spikes now going down. And you see what's good. You see what's good. Your stop loss will just be somewhere right there. Yeah, it also like the end of that point. That's going to be your stop loss. Your TP. The TP is just going to be down at the zero level. So we're sitting at the zero level right there. And 15 minutes shows it's going to spike up. I don't know how big the spike is going to be, but it's going to spike in 15 minutes. And I don't know if we should make this long. I don't know if we should make this long because yeah, I don't know. Just to see what's going to happen next. Just to see what's going to happen next. You guys who are following. So you see, that was a zero level right there. Like I said, it was 8. You are taking counts. Then a small spike happened. Oh, that's like 97 now. After the spike, it was 100. After the spike, it went back to 97. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen when it touches the 100 level right there. Okay, I don't know what happened. Like my network just froze. We're having bad reception here. So yeah, the continuous downtrend lows are like showing you like that movement right there. So this is what time frame is this? Is 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame is a confirmation of a downtrend. Though it has touched the 100 mark right here. Is it still moving? I'm still having network issues. Yeah, I'm still having network issues right here. You won't have a clear thing. Unless maybe if you were to get a copy, then you give it a test yourself. Like I said, this moves. This doesn't move. It's always doesn't move. This moves. It started from that point. It started from that point going down. And yeah, I'm points where the spike is going to happen and where the trend is going to be very much valid. So at least you can enter the markets with ease. Okay, I don't know what's happened with my network. Like we're having very bad network right here. I wish I could tell you more, but yeah, just comment below so you see what's happening. Results of bad network right here. Anyways, yeah, that's the thing. Don't blame Deriv most of the times to say no. Your MT5 is freezing and stuff. Sometimes it might be your network or your server or something. So yeah, just leave a comment, subscribe, like, and yeah, tell me if I should drop these files, then you can get a copy so that you can test them. Then you can give me feedback as you test them in the group. So how is it, guys? How is it? Like it shows you a trend. Oh, we should go. We should test. Well, we should test it on maybe Crash. Okay, so you see, the gold zone was just right there. TP was supposed to be right there. Then yeah, it shows me in 1 minute it's an uptrend, 5 minutes an uptrend, 15. We're having network issues. Okay, so 15 is an uptrend, then 30 minutes a downtrend. So it's going back to the previous resistance zone, just right there. When this when this trend touches this point, it's going to start spiking, going down. This is happening live right now. This is happening live right now. So 4 hours shows an uptrend. 1H shows a downtrend. Looking at the gold zone, like the gold zone is an entry point where you enter the, you don't lose your money. Like it just continues to trend. It trends with you. It trends with you. Like it keeps you safe. I tested it yesterday. Tested it yesterday, and yeah, it showed positive results. Because if you see, this is 1 minute. This 1 minute, it shows you that. This 1 minute, it shows you an entry right there. And if you check the 15 minutes chart, check the 15 minutes chart. You see, the entry was supposed to be just right there. Even after a spike, you see, it will still protect you. Your stop loss was just somewhere right here. So if you put a line right there, it's going to show you exactly what I mean right here. So let's try to put a line just right here. Yeah. Is it? No spike catches you in the market. If you have such tools, you're trading with ease. You enter the market, you're trading with ease. No spikes can cut. No spikes can come your way. You see? That's like a long trend right there. Long trend. Your entry was somewhere there. You just go in the market, you're safe, man. You're safe. But to my understanding, to my understanding, this zone was somewhere around here before it shifts going up. Because I said this one is static. This is why your solos is. This one was at this point. This was going to be your entry point. Trust me. The other indicators will show you an arrow, showing you that there's an uptrend coming your way. I'm just going to drop a video after this so that you have a clear view of what I mean. It's going to show you an uptrend from this point going up. Like I'm just going to compose that video so at least you can see what I mean. Like it was being tested for over 2 hours, and we're just going to fast forward it so at least you can it won't waste much of your time. But look at this. Look at this. You take your entry from that point. Even after retracement, it still goes up. You see? These are the gold zone. This is 5 minutes. 5 minutes shows an uptrend. 1 minute shows an uptrend. 15 shows an uptrend. 30 minutes shows a downtrend. So if you're trading 30 minutes, you already entered the markets from the previous point. It showed you an entry from this point. You see, I believe this one started at this point. This was a point of this is a point of buy, but you can actually, sell. You can actually sell from this point, this last candlestick here. Then you go down with the market. You go down with the market. Maybe I put a line so at least you can see. If I was to put a line right here, you see, no spike came your way. No spike came your way. It was just a downtrend. Oh, this is crash. Okay, this is crash. Like it was just spiking going down. No trends touched you. Continuous spike trade going down up to this point. You see what's good. You enter markets right here, or any point says spiking, but this was the perfect one to enter the markets. This moves. It showed you an entry. It's moving until it will disappear. Then it will change the direction to show you exactly a movement here. All windows will show you the movement right here. All windows are going to show you the movement. It's going to be something. Trust me, guys. It's going to be something. Has it even spiked in 15? Not yet. It hasn't spiked on range breaker. Yeah, not yet. But it's going to spike. It's going to spike. 30 minutes, it's a downtrend. 15, it's a downtrend. 5 minutes, it's an uptrend. 1 minute, it's a downtrend. Yo, this is what you get spending time on charts. This is what you get spending time on charts. You get all this. Is what you get, guys. Is what you get. Anyways, we'll wrap it up right here, right now. I think I should put my phone on charge and yeah, we submit results. We'll submit results after this. I'm going to compose a video so that I send it to you. You see the other indicators, and I'll combine the two. Then I'm going to show you results on all commodities and currencies. I'm already showing you results on currencies right now. I'm already showing you results on currencies. We're actually killing a USD card right now on a sale. It's been a downtrend. Check my channel on Telegram. You see the results right there. See the results right there. Great British Pound to Yan. Yesterday we killed it. Yeah, we're taking a lot of peeps, guys. We're taking a lot of peeps. Anyways, thank you for your time, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more. We're going to make it easy, like we always say. Join us and never lose again. KDMfx, guys. KDMfx. Only the kings and the best of the traders. We're actually turning basic traders to mentors right now. Trust me. Guys are now giving signals. Guys are now giving signals with the tools. Trust me. Don't miss out on this one. Don't miss out on this one.